Most people leave their iPhone or Android running for days or weeks at a time without a proper restart on it or reboot of their iPhone or Android. However, in this video, I'm going to walk you through all of the added benefits of restarting that phone. Even if you just shut it down and immediately turn it back on, there are a number of significant benefits to doing this once a day or at the very least once a week. Now you'll be able to see on this article in PC Mag that NSA says you should restart your phone every single week. And primarily they talk about the security risks involved with not restarting your phone. But there are also a number of other things that you can get from restarting it. It says improved performance and speed, regularly clear out the RAM, and closing background processes keeps your phone running smooth. It fixes a lot of software glitches and freezes and app crashes. It also increases the overall battery life of your iPhone just by shutting everything down and letting everything cool off and then restarting it. And then here you go, the increased security. NSA suggests that it helps protect against cyber attacks and malicious apps from running in the background. It also improves your network connection and clears out all of the cache or temporary data on your iPhone or Android. So some significant benefits and something that's super easy to do. I'm going to walk you through 3 different ways that you can do this, depending on whether you want a quick and easy option or one that fixes more bugs and glitches. So the first way that most people know and understand to restart their phone is to press and hold the volume up and side button. If I press and hold these, you'll be able to see it says slide to power off. All I need to do is take my finger and slide, and it will turn that phone completely off. After I've done that, let me just unlock it real quick. After I've done that, you're going to press and hold this button on the right to restart it until you see the Apple logo. So that is the first option. The second option is if you have Siri enabled, Siri can just restart your phone, but it's a simple restart, not a force restart or a force reset. I'm going to show you how to do that, which is helpful if there are any bugs or glitches in your phone. So all you need to do is either say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold that side button. Restart my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to...
And just like that, you just say, "Yes, I want you to restart it," or tap on the red restart button. However, I'm going to last walk you through an option that I regularly do, and this is what I personally do, is a force restart on my iPhone. To do that, you're going to use the volume up, volume down, and the side button. So you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo appear. I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off, and we're going to wait until your iPhone screen goes completely black, just like that. And then eventually the Apple logo will appear. When the Apple logo appears, just like that, you're going to release your finger from that power button, and you've done a force restart on your iPhone. Again, this fixes tons of bugs and glitches, but also improves the security, the performance, all of those things, clears out the cache. It's just something you should regularly do all the time. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.